amazing welcome right now with these pretty tiaras and these lovely drinks which we have already finished, and we are so looking forward to the entire journey. Like, I am super excited. I have so many butterflies in my stomach. I just can't wait for them to tell us what's next and what's happening in the next few days. It's just fantastic. You have no idea. I just want to just fast forward everything and just have a look at what's going to happen next.
Looking forward for everything.
The welcome is just so prettily done, so beautifully executed. I'm really looking forward to staying in this hotel, and we had a great morning, so I wish that the day would continue to be like that and even better.
1, 2, 3.
This is me, and the picture just got unveiled. We're all really excited. You know, it's once in a lifetime that your picture comes on the front page of Times of India, and when it looks like this, it's awesome.
Hi, so we just walked into the Sofitel and got the warmest welcome ever. We all look like Indian Hawaiian princesses with our bindis and the tiaras. We had a really warm welcome by the hotel staff and the organization, so thank you so much. And we have that beautiful picture up there of all of us, and we can't stop admiring it, so it's all really amazing. Yeah, excited for what's coming up.
Can't contain our happiness. We had the most warmest welcome. They were so welcoming. We're already feeling at home. Sofitel is amazing. And we're waiting for the adventurous roller coaster ride that's waiting ahead of us. We are super excited.
And we hope you are too.
Yeah.
Namaskar, and here at Sofitel we're very excited to see the Femina Miss India pageants, to actually host them here. So we are very excited to host them at Sofitel Mumbai BKC. Have a lovely day, and I hope they have a many weeks stay with us.
Hi guys, I'm Aditi.
Hi, and I'm Afreen.
So we just walked into our rooms and we were surprised to find our full length Sunbeam pictures here.
And our profiles. Each one of us, our headshots and something about us. Also, the Times Group has been very kind to welcome us with a very encouraging quote.
All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.
Absolutely.
And that comes with makeup, by the way.
It comes with a fab bag, and we've got...
If I show you the stuff that we've got.
You're gonna be amazed.
We've got a coffee face scrub. It smells amazing. It smells like
And-
coffee. You want to eat it.
A sugar body scrub, so yeah, exactly. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat this or use this, but it's gonna finish soon. A Sally Hansen nail polish, and an Iraya eye contour gel, which I think we all need because we're gonna be very busy, tired, and we don't want sunken eyes. So.
And there's some hot pink.
Oh, totally forgot about that. I don't know where it's gone, but
There you go.
So Times, Miss India organization, and everyone involved in this. I mean, it was such a nice welcome. Thank you so
Thank you so much. Thank you for making us feel so special.
Absolutely.